Got a bit of a mess going, but we are going to attempt to try to put in some new fangled headlamps. Simon from Oxbeam got a hold of me while I was driving across Canada and says, "Hey, Mr. Brent's VanLife, how would you like to try out some of our products on your school bus?" I said, "Sure, buddy." One problem. I'm on the road. You'll have to wait till I get back to the lower mainland in Vancouver Island before we can do anything. And who would have known, like, here I am in a completely different bus. So we're going to try to implement LED lights into the old Volkswagen van. These things are killer. They're the magic RGB light guide for the LED headlights. You actually had to download an app to make the outside lights respond to music, my voice, and a whole whack of other things. So it's going to be interesting. Follow me along with me. Well, it's going to be a little bit harder than anticipated. Since this is a French bus, those lights right there are not wired up like we have in North America. They don't, when you pull one notch out, they don't light up. Right now there's 5 wires down here and I only need 3. So I hope that I'm doing this right, especially after hooking a battery up backwards. Don't worry, I won't complicate it for you. We're gonna wire it up. You watch. Shadow. Anyways, there's 2 wires. This wire here was coming not only to the headlight, but it was also going to another light that's inside of the French light. That wire now has to come up here. Well, there's another project gone bad. Sorry, Oxbeam. I love the looks of these lights, but I'm gonna have to go and find some new buckets. It turns out that this is a French spec Volkswagen van. It actually came with halogen lights in it. So the light is part of the van, the glass. But I have a friend, I'm gonna make a call and see if they maybe have a couple buckets lying around. Let's do that. And there goes another day in van life with getting absolutely nothing accomplished other than making a mess. We should go do something, dude. Click. The old saying says, if at first you don't succeed, try again. So the headlight buckets wouldn't work, so we're gonna go get some. And that's the plan. But I'm stopping here at Rapture Customs. Trying to get a sign made up for me. We'll see if it's done yet. Well, they're just about to get printed, so hopefully we'll have enough time to go out and get headlight buckets. Okay, off to Volkswagen heaven. Now, some of you have been here before, and for those of you that haven't, this is known as Volkswagen heaven. Seems the boys had issues with unwanted guests, so they asked me not to film. But look what we got. Headlight buckets. Woo! Pretty stoked, because you know what that means. That means I get to put my Oxbeam RGB's headlights in tomorrow. But before we play with some headlights, we're gonna play with something different. Are you excited? So, what do you think of those? Wow, look at the day brought us. Nothing but sunshine and blue skies. The dude and I are going to be attempting to replace these with our new Oxbeam LEDs, RGBs, elemental piece headlamps. Oh, the joys of owning weird vehicles. They actually have a signal light built into them. Oh, those look so good, eh? We're about to put the second one in. Just gotta drill a hole. I guess I could show you how easy this is to hook up. Literally, you're just putting in a new LED transformer type of thing, and I'm gonna plug this together to control the cool lights around the outside. There's this one here. Or actually, this might be for my turn signals. I don't know exactly, but we're doing it. Wow. Now it's getting cold out. What do you think? So the headlight install went pretty good. I just gotta put this in. The magic RGB LED lights. Plug and play these babies right in. So it's really simple. These are going to be plugging into the signal lights, and that into positive, negative, and I just have to hook up the these plugins here. So I lined up. There's a bar inside and 3 prongs. Plug it in, tighten her up. Bob's your uncle. We'll run over here. Oh, let's do this. Bam, that's better. I'll tie this into this side. Again, if you look really closely, there's a line in there. There's also one in here. It's not giving me enough wire hanging out here, so all I'm going to do is remove some of this, and voila. So this goes into the right and that goes into the left, or vice versa, and hook up your powers. But I'm going to show you a little bit about Oxbeam. Yeah, a simple search. We'll bring up their app. Simply download it to your phone. Open it. And there you go. Your turn signal outer LED RGBs are all run through this app. Your signals will always be red, but basically you can set them any color you want. Or use the wheel to pick a color. I used to have yellow headlights on my van. I usually run yellow during the daytime, and at nighttime they don't show up as well because the halogens are so amazing. But they also have these modes here. Come on. Doesn't work as good when you have a Band-Aid on. But as you can see, I can use all of these colors. Bam. And, oops, all those colors will slowly flash. But you can also adjust how much you want them to flash. And you'll never get bored because there's like 92 different functions that you can play with, and they're all adjustable down here. How bright you want them and how fast you want them to flash. Well, in typical Brent fashion, I was rushed at the end. Not sure what happened, but we're gonna check this out. I'm just gonna show you a little glance now. We're gonna check it out tonight, okay? Let me start this baby up. can't do the music or the voice. It reacts to my voice too. But here's, watch this. I'll show you the signal lights. You really can't see it, but the outside is yellow. I'm pretty happy. Thank you, Oxbeam. These are killer lights. Check these new LED lights out. You never see this in a Volkswagen. But hey, this goes on.